Oh yeah, well, I know at least I'm working. I hope you're working. Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Today we have a 9-minute EMOM. EMOM meaning every minute on a minute. We have 3 different exercises. Burpee to curl, 7 repetitions. Reverse lunge, 14 repetitions. Sit up to a leg raise, 21 repetitions. We're going through the entire thing 3 times, hence 9 minutes. That's not enough for you? Repeat it again, make it 18 minutes. Make it whatever minutes you want to make it, do as many rounds as you can. Having said that, we are starting in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's go, 7 reps. Burpee, curl, that's 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 more, 6, and 7. Woo. All right, couple seconds left of rest. Now we're going 14 reverse lunges in 15 seconds. For context, I am using 40-pound dumbbells. These are my favorite adjustable dumbbells, and they're getting put to work today. Ready? 3, 2, 1, 14. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, get a little bit of rest. Put these down. Whew. 25 seconds. We're going to get down on the ground. Leg raise to a sit-up. 21 reps. Heart rate's going pretty good. Whew. Remember, this is the first round. We're doing 3 rounds. No other breaks. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Leg raise. Leg down. Sit up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 5 more. 1, 2, running out of time. 3, 4, ran out of time, that's okay. 5, grab your dumbbells. Gonna have to hurry those up next time. Burpee, you know what to do. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 more. 1, and 2. Whew. Watch is coming apart. I'm falling apart. 9 minutes. This is a tough one. Sorry about not making the interval, but you know what? My workouts, your workouts, as I always say. All right, 3, 2, 1. 14 reverse lunges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That leaves 4 more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Put these away. All right, a little bit of a break finally. Let's see if we can make, if I can make this leg raise to a sit-up in the minute. Gonna have to use a little momentum. And for this type of workout, kind of fun, kind of just moving right along. A little momentum makes that CrossFit workout, right? Anyway, 3, 2, 1. Don't waste time, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If we keep this up, we can make it. Just make it. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 5 more. 17, 18, 2 more. 1 and 2. Perfect. Grab the dumbbells. We know what to do. Ready? 7 reps. Last round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 more. 1. And 2. Whew. Oh yeah, well, I know at least I'm working. I hope you're working. 10 seconds left. 14 reverse lunges coming up in 5, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Come on, work with me. 4. I'm tired. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 more. 1, 2, 3. Last one. And 4. Weights down. Here's our break. Here's my break. Keep it up, keep it up. Come on, stay with me, stay with me. 10 seconds, let's get down on the ground. See if we can make these under a minute. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 30 on the floor. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's gonna be close. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right on cue. Yep. Had to do those CrossFit style, a little bit of momentum. Otherwise, wouldn't have happened. Guys, thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50 for this crazy 9-minute workout. It was tough. I was out of breath. Hope you guys had a good workout. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this workout, please do leave a comment. Give me a thumbs up. thumbs up, thumbs down if you didn't enjoy it. That's all right, leave a comment below. Let me know how to change it around. This channel is still small enough. I take all requests. Once again, my name is Paul at Fit After 50. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.